Very good morning, students. Last class we have seen definition of integer and properties of integer. Now I want to explain absolute value of integer. Absolute means without sign. We will not take sign of integer. Just we will remove the sign. Whatever sign is given, we have to remove. Means we will give positive. Always answer will be positive only. If minus integer, negative integer is given, then also answer will come positive, and if positive will be given, then answer will come positive only. So absolute value means represent symbol of absolute value, symbol of absolute value is equal to like this, means two vertical line in between given. Now means we have to find absolute value of -3 like this. So we will put this type of symbol in between, means like bracket. So answer will come 3. Again absolute value of we have to find 3, also answer will come 3. -3, then also 3, and +3, then also answer is 3. So absolute value means we will ignore the sign. Whatever sign is given, we have to ignore that sign. Okay. Means next again also -10. Absolute value of -10. So we will put here 10. If we have to find absolute value of -100, again answer will be 100. If absolute value is 100, then also answer is 100. Absolute value of 110, then also will come 110. If we have to find absolute value of -121, then also will come 1 to 1. Means we have to ignore the sign. Whatever integer is given, if minus sign is there, so just you remove that minus sign. If plus sign is there, there will be no any change. Same answer will come. Okay. So these types of value, this type of operation is called absolute value of integer. Okay. Now we have to go for next topic, our successor and predecessor of integer. Successor and predecessor of integer. Successor, first of all we have to find successor of any given integer. Successor of integer. Successor means +1. Okay. If any number is given, we have to find successor. Means question is like this: find successor of following integer. Following integers means first we have to find successor of -4. So what we will do in this? We have to add +1, means -4 + 1 will get -3. Okay, so this is called successor of -4. Second, we have to find successor of 5. So what we will do? 5 + 1 is equal to 6. Third, we have to find successor of -11. So what we will do here? -11 + 1 will get -10. So these are the called successor. Now we have to do predecessor. Predecessor of integer. Predecessor of integer. In predecessor, we have to find predecessor means -1. Predecessor means -1. Successor means +1. Means whatever integer is given, we have to add +1 in that integer, and in predecessor we have to just -1. Whatever integer is given, we have to subtract 1. Okay. So if you will given predecessor, we have to find predecessor of -4. So what we will do here? We have to take -4 -1, because we have to subtract 1. That's why in predecessor means take whatever integer is given, we have to take just previous of integer. So -4 -1 will get -5. So this is called predecessor of -4. Second one, we have to find predecessor of 5 means we have to subtract 5 minus 1 will get 4. Again we have to find predecessor of minus 11, it means minus 11 and then minus 1 will get minus 12. So predecessor of minus 11 is minus 12. Or you can take one more example also. Predecessor of minus 100 means just you subtract minus 1 again in 100 minus 100. So minus 100 minus 1 will get 1 minus 101 minus 101. So these are the predecessor of the integer. Whatever previous class means 6th class and 5th class we have studied about predecessor of natural number and whole number. Same like that you have to do here, but you have to careful during minus sign. Means here minus also and you will take minus also. So again both has minus sign means we have to add, but the answer will come in negative only. Okay. And successor also we have to careful during minus sign. In minus 4 we have to find successor of minus 4, but we have to add in here. Sometimes the students will write 4 plus 1 5. That will be wrong because here minus sign is also given. So minus 4 plus 1 will get minus 3 because we have subtract only, and sign will come depends on the value. Here minus 4 is greater, that's why answer will come in minus only. Okay, like that we have to be careful during doing calculation. Now we have to go for next. Our topic is representation of integer on number line. So means we have to represent any integer on number line. So how will represent? Just I will explain in this. I will draw number line, then we will represent. Representation of integer on number line. Representation of integers on number line. On number line. So just we have to draw a number line like this. During exam you have to draw scale pencil, and in your notebook you have to write down. Whenever you write down, just draw in a scale pencil only. Okay. In between just you cut, that will be 0 part. Okay, means this is a 0 value of integer, and right side will be positive, left side will be negative. Now just you see here, it will come 1, means equal unit, all are equal length, 0 to 1 and 1 to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on. Now we have to take in left side minus 1, just minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, Here also distance will be same, but it has negative sign, that's it. This side positive and this side negative, value will be same, means mirror image of this number only, but sign will be negative. Okay. So these are the positive integer, these are called positive integer, and these are called negative integer, and in between has 0. So 0 is the main separation between positive value and negative value. So this side, right side will call positive integer, in left side of 0 is called negative integer. Okay, and this is the 0. Whichever it doesn't have any sign, neither positive neither negative, just we have to write down in 0 only. Okay. So in right side is positive integer and left side is negative integer, means all value whatever you will take this type of this side of integer, all are will come in positive, and if you will take this side, then all are negative integer. Okay. So with this all our integer chapter is finished, and we have to do the exercise and based on this topic and whatever some word problem is also given, just we have to add and subtract and multiply, divide. That's okay. That's all.